Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is: are you more worried about doing things right or doing the right things? Are you more worried about doing things right or doing right things? Doing right things or doing things right? It's a great question to reflect on that uh, whatever we do, that it should be aligned with our goals. When we talk about doing things right, there are two sides of it. There are whatever you want to do in a right way. Then there is the other side. You only choose to do right things. If you ask me what I will choose doing right thing. For me, if I do things, if I do try to things right, it's not possible, right? If I every time I do something and if I want to make sure that yes, I do things right, uh, it's not optimal. What I would say, I could be doing things which doesn't yield any effect or any outcome, but I'm doing things right. Uh, but say for example, let's say if I want to do something in life, let's say I was supposed to be a scientist and I'm stuck in some corporate job, and I'm focusing on doing that corporate job right. Does that does that signify anything? At the end of the day, I wanted to become a scientist. I want to do right things, right? If I would have chosen to become a scientist rather than doing the corporate job in a right way, it has it also focus us to more focus on fewer things, but you identify that this is the right thing for you. And it's fine if you are doing the right things, but you're not getting it right. You can iterate over it. So it is fine, absolutely fine, because after some iteration, you will reach the point. So that's what I feel about it. Thank you. Over to you.